Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue again. This is another Destash. I think I have showed this before, but I think I was waiting to take it to the post office to find out what shipping was going to be. They said it was going to be priority mail. I had to give them a couple of, they go by zip code and all. So, and since I don't know who it's going to be, I just gave them a couple of zip codes from different places, and it was basically the same. So, and then plus what I'm going to ask for it, if you want to, if I'm going to ask $25 shipped, I'm going to show it to you again, and I just didn't really know exactly what to ask for this, because I got this at a garage sale, and the lady did all kind of crafts and stuff. So I don't know how old it is. I don't think it's too old, because the stuff in it is good. It's the DecoArt Paper Perfect paint that creates the look of handmade paper. It's got directions, it's got templates, it's got little pictures here of what you can make. Okay, so let me show you. It's got 5 different paper colors. Let me see which one is open here. Here's one that's open. Let me get one of my little paste thingies. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hang on a second. Ugh. Okay. I'm looking at the blue one. Okay, and it's still pasty. Okay, and this is, you can use all these to make your own paper. It's kind of that, it's the paper that's got the kind of like, not mulberry, it's not mulberry, what is it, mole something. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to pick that up, but it's got, I don't know how to explain it. It's got little stringy type things. Oh gosh, I don't know, but it's still good. They're all full. Some of them has been used, but not very much. And I've never used it. I just don't have time to I got so many other things that I'm doing. I just don't have time to do all this. But you got your blue. You've got a it says cashmere pink. There's a natural color. It's got sort of a really light beige color to it. This one's called Sea Mist, and then a corn silk. It comes with one of these things that I just had in my hand, and then here is the, put this down so I can show you this. Here are the things that you can put in the paper to make. This red stuff is called Red Natural Fibers. That's what I was trying to think of, fibers. When you pick up this stuff with the thing, it's got like little fiber looking things, because it's making your own paper. It's got those little fiber looking things. You see that? So here's some red things you can put in there. It's also got some potpourri you can put in there. I'm dried flower stuff, and also some glitter. Well, this is called, what is this called? Yeah, it's glitter. Golden Treasure glitter. But it's got like a gold and a copper kind of color in it. Really pretty. So you got those three as well. So if you're interested in this, let me know, and I will get this out to you. So $25 shipped, priority mail. It's going to be 12, I forget, 12 something to ship it. Alright, let me know if you're interested. It's US shipping only, and PayPal friends and family for payment. Thanks guys, bye.